the owners first, because without them we wouldn't have been here. So I would like to thank each owners. So from Cosmic 11 we have Narendra Da, who's yet to come. So I would like to thank him. Sagar Kalburgi, Men in Blue. Okay, thank you so much, Sagar. And Kiran Tagadkar from Tuskers 11. Kiran, thank you. Power Panthers, Anil Gujarati. Evergreen Eagles, Prakash Da and Sri Magji. We have Sulegai Smashers. Owners are Raju Sulegai and Ajay Sulegai. I'd like to thank each one of you. This wouldn't have been happened without you guys. I remember that हमने कहा सागर ने especially बोला जान को तरह टीम लेस का तुम्हें बोला था टीम भी लूसा निकल स्पॉन्सर करो उसको मैं बोला था. Thank you so much. Narendra Dana is not a player. It's just because of love for the game. He decided to take the team. Would like to thank him. Anil, so he has always been there to support us. Any given day, इतने team लेकर तो ले आसियो कई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So Anil, thanks a lot. Kiran Tagadkar, newly joined. Thank you so much for your support. Raju and Ajay Sulegai, they are always there. Ajay Sulegai has taken a team. Thank you so much for him. So first of all, I would like to invite Sagar Zundale. Oh, Sagar. Hey, so he is our title sponsor. Rajalakshmi Wedding Cards. So if you need any kind of cards in terms of any special occasion, please reach out to us. Hey, what Sagar? So he is our title sponsor. Rajalakshmi Wedding Cards. And we have other sponsors as well. The other sponsor is, the balls were sponsored by Ravi Kiran Tagadkar and Sanjay Sulegai. So the other sponsor we have is for the man of the series. So who will be the man of series for the entire tournament? You will get a trophy, that is for sure. तुम्हें ना देखे जाए, ताई छोड़ी का ना, you will get 1 year gym membership. Okay, का? So that is given by Vijay Dondale. So they are जो, but he has sponsored that. And for every man of the match, there is a 500 rupees voucher. Okay, that voucher will be given by Ajay Sulegai. This is the sponsor list. Okay. So, आता मैं अंके काय introduce करास कतरा. Every match you will have man of the match trophy. That's what we used to give. नहीं छोड़ी करा था अंके करास कतरा. You will get a medal as a best batsman, and also you will get one medal for best bowler as well for individual matches. So we have highlighted 3 people now. We used to highlight just one. Now we will be highlighting 3 people. So all gets a credit. Okay guys, I would like to tell something else as well. Let's help our community as well. So, if you, as I said, Rajalakshmi Wedding Cards are into card business. So if you need any cards in future, anything, please visit the store. Let's help our community. That's what we are looking at. So when we already have a source, why do we go for someone else? Okay, please get into it. That's my request. Okay, same time. We have our owners as well. They are into some, they are leaders of their business. I would like to call upon Narendra Da. He is into financial services. So if you need any assistance in financial services, like mutual funds, anything, please reach out to them. Okay, they may give you some insights. Next comes Sagar GK. Okay, Sagar Kalburgi. They are into car loans. So you need anything, any terms of loans. So you can always reach out to them. So probably he may not be the right person, but he will always guide you. Then we come Gujarati, Anil Gujarati. Okay, they are into home loans. So of course you need home loans in your career, like in your future. So you can always reach out to Anil, because we have people who are there in their own businesses, right? So you can always support them. And Prakash Da and Prakash Da occupation को टोकने या. So Sri Magji is into apparels. तुमने apparels में कहा था ऐसी तरह, you can always reach out to them. ओनर
हाँ ओनर सोनार सोनार
ज्वेलर
ओनरचा डोनरचा
इतका दिवस ओनरचा श्रीमुखजी अँड प्रकाश दाखन बोलायला ओके लेट्स विल टॉक ऑफ ओके ओके गाइस ओके लिव इट नेक्स्ट किरण तगड़कर इज इनटू security services. So तुम्हें क्या तरह से तरह we can always reach out to him. Okay. Then comes Raju and Ajay Sulagai. They are into tailoring material and apparel again. Just to keep you informed that this is what we have. Any assistance, you can always reach out to them. Okay guys, next up. Tournament chala asma, there will be noise. There will be something, right? You will have some issues. Definitely there will be ahi barabar nahi, tai barabar nahi. Absolutely fine. Any valid feedback will be taken. But there is a channel. The channel is, we will not entertain any players, no matter what it is, including captains if it is come to tournament. If it comes to matches, we are okay to listen to captains. But when it comes to tournament facility, that this is not good, that is not good, you have to inform your owners. Owners will tell us. Let's keep that channel open, okay? If you have any concerns, we really appreciate, but keep it to your owners first. Let them come in, we will answer those questions, okay? That's the channel. And we also request owner support into this. Ajay, आओ. Thank you. Hey, आओ. Ajay, आओ. Sorry, Sagar. आओ, Sagar, आओ.
come
We like to call upon, sorry guys, we like to call upon Sagar, Ajay, Anil, Kiran. Sorry guys, forgot that. आणि कोणचे श्रीमुखजी प्रकाश दा आवदा पटा आवदा सॉरी नाही ड्रॉइंग प्रकाश दा कसं आणि कोणचे अजय सुले पटा गाइस फोटो फर्स्ट so sorry अर्धी गोष्ट होती okay first we will first we will facilitate our title sponsor गाइस गया करिकन पॉट आज राखी जत्रा नको गरमली जाओ लास्ट टाइम गरमल जन ता छोड़ी गया था क्लब वाला में ते क्लब वाला हमने गळ्यात आली असेल ते अजयच करे से अजय पार्किंग लॉट में रखी गई
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರ ಬೆಳೆದೈತೆ
guys give an applause guys he's a title sponsor guys come on then I have Prakash da and Shrimukhji Evergreen Eagles guys clap guys we have Sagar Kalburgi from Men in Blue. Hey Sagar Bapa, istona shayir bardu Sagar please. So we have Kiran Tagadkar from Tuskers 11. Tuskers 11. Anil Gujarati from Power Panthers. Guys, clap kar maro guys. Seriously. Oh no. So we have Narendra Da from Cosmic 11. Narendra Da from Cosmic 11 over guys. We have Ajay Sulagai and Raju Sulagai from Sulagai Smashers. Hey, Guys, clap dude. You know. Okay guys, the most important, okay, maintain dignity guys, okay, please do not use profanity, okay, don't scold the umpires, irrespective who it is. That decisions will be definitely at a time international level mistakes here, sir. Okay, please do not curse or use profanity on the field. Kata issue is that direct I can owners se bola, owners हमने कोशिश करा sir. Okay का? And this is very important. Profanity use karikana if it is a repeated issue, same thing, time repeat karta uska tarah, we may take some action as well. We may not allow the player to play as well. We may do that as well. So please take it seriously. There will be concerns. Let us know. And one more thing. No smoking, no non-veg in the ground. कल उसका अल्कोहल तो चांसेस थे यार नाम नहीं बोलता से तो बोला तो स्पॉन्सर भी कट कर दियो so guys please do not smoke there are repeated concerns का last time भी तो उसी तो restroom में जाकर ना smoke करता था please don't do that okay I don't want to name the people but I'm just saying we are all mature please don't do that okay
नॉन वेज भी नहीं सागा
नहीं not allowed every tournament there is the Lingayat no yeah so this college belongs to that's the reason okay guys okay why correct okay guys we are done with it. Let's have few words from our owners as well as sponsors. Okay, let's light it up. Okay, Sagar. Sabhi support karo. Candle
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾರೆ
lighter nako lighter ti lagata hai guys come forward guys
ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್
what do we know
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ
नहीं बोला खाता सब बोल
ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ ಏಯ್ ಲೇ ಹೌದು ಬಾ ಶಿವ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ ಬಾ RRMC ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೂಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು okay it's okay
guys thank you so much thank you all before we hand it over to Sagar and owners I would like to thank our organizers without them we wouldn't have done this so I would like to thank Raju Sulagai Ravi Kiran Karadgar Saptagiri Neelkant and Sunil so this is our core team
ವಸಿ
myself thank you so much so I would like to thank each one of them because if they were not here it would become very difficult for us to organize thank you so much guys okay so I would start with Sagar few words guys then each I'll ask
सभी ने भी ऑल द बेस्ट स्पेशली ऑर्गेनाइजर्स ऑल प्लेयर्स 6 टीम्स पॉजिटिव एग्रेशन उन्होंने तो सभी जन भी चोट खेलो
दादा बोलो दादा एक दोन वर्ड बोलो था बोलो था our senior most in our community is still playing so ಹೌದಾ ಹೌದಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಜಯ್ ಬಿ
ಅಜಯ್
सगळ्यांना नमस्कार सगळी तुम्ही एखादा लई खुशी लागतो सर आनंद लागतो सर 9 वर्षे टुर्नामेंट खेळता असो हां 9 आम्ही आपल्याला करा सभ्य बी सपोर्ट करा सह्य करा सर थँक्यू
ಐ ಮೈಕಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದ
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮೈಕಲ್ಲಿ
Namaskar. See, Mane, I mean, our community is more than everything for all of us. This is the reason why we are all here. Let us keep our community together, and I'm so happy that our community has a lot of opportunities. This is one of the reasons for all of us to get together. Let us continue this in much bigger ways. Thank you very much.
I would like to say one more thing. आम्ही कोणतं स्पॉन्सर धुंडेल नाही ते करणं सांगायला that is the best part. So thank you so much again for all the sponsors, including Sagar, Ravi Kiran Tagarkar, Sanjay, पस्ती अजय सुलेगाई, पस्ती Vijay Dondale. So thank you so much. I would like to thank Ram also for bringing Sagar into it because we did not go for England. Thank you so much. Thanks, Sagar. Okay, we'll start with the ties now. So ties ko katra we pen na ka.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೋಬಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು
Okay guys, so since we have this inauguration today, so we'll have only 2 matches. Okay, first cone Navaski, they will play the first match. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first 2 teams will play the first match and 3, 4 will play the second match. Okay, so we have a breakfast as well. So Ankya ka 20 minutes maayega sir. So ties gala pasti if there is no breakfast also, please you know, I'm so sorry for that, but I can batsman courage hai. So we will start the match in next 20-30 minutes, not more, not after that. Okay, so let's start with the ties.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿರ ತಾನೆ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ
कोणती भी 2 नाव लिखेल नाही हा कोणतं नाव स्किप भी करायला नाही तब तू बोल So first team guys, first team.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮ್
Let's see who is the first team. Cosmic 11 first. The first team is Cosmic 11. तुम्हा प्लेयर होना बराईट हवा बोलतोले असा टाइम मिळतो नाही आता बोलायचा Cosmic 11 first team. काढो एक
ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ
Next Sulegai Smashers. So it is Sulegai Smashers. So Cosmic 11 versus Sulegai Smashers guys. First match. Power Panthers. Third team Power Panthers.
देखो ಅದೇ ಓ ಅಜಯ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ತೆಗಿಯೋದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಜಯ್ ಇದು
Tuskers 11 guys. Tuskers 11. Next काढा दोन काढा दोनशे एक तू काढ अनिल तू काढ ओके
ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರ್ದು 5 6 ಯಾರ್ದು ನಿಂದು ನೀನೇ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ್ರು
So Men in Blue and Evergreen Eagles will play first match next week. Okay guys.
ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಮೆನ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಲೂ 6th ಎವರ್ಗ್ರೀನ್
Eagles. Okay guys, get ready guys, get ready. First match will start in 15-20 minutes guys. So thank you all. Thank you. Guys 10:45